Alright guys, today we're going to come in here and do a quick unboxing and review on my new wooden curtain rod. I do want to say thank you to the company for sending it out for reviews. Go and take a look at it. Here are the 3 pieces for it. User manual. And then all the accessories for it. So let's go ahead and put it together and see how it looks. This curtain rod is just 20 to 48 inches, so it works for most standard windows and small patio doors without needing any extra tools. The rod itself is 1 inch thick and reinforced with a heavy-duty metal core, which makes it strong enough to hold blackout or layered curtains up to 30 pounds without bending. You're able to adjust this however long you need. Quality on the side looks nice. Like I said, it's designed to make it look like it's like a wood design. Very cool. So if you guys are looking for a new curtain rod, definitely look into this one. I'm gonna leave the link down below.